Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to start a new chapter revision, that is data handling and probability. तो इसमें स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से. So the first question is fill in the blanks. In that first question 1, the most frequently occurring value in a data sample is called dash. So most frequently occurring value if a data sample is given, for example 2, 3, 4, 2, 4 again 2, so here 2 occurs many times, so 2 is the mode. That means a mode occurs many times. The most frequently occurring value in a data sample is called mode. Okay, so in this blank you have to write mode. Move on to next, that is the mean of the first 5 prime numbers is dash. We know that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the first 5 prime numbers. How to find mean? Mean is nothing but sum of the observation upon number of observation. So mean is equal to sum of observation 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 upon 5. तो the count goes, इसका क्या हो जाएगा? सम आता है 28 upon 5. ओके, यहाँ पे देखिएगा 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 upon 5. 5 5 are 25. 3 remaining. Add a decimal point. 0. 30 हो जाएगा. 5 6 are 30. So 5.6 is the mean. Okay. So in the blank you have to write 5.6 of the first 5 prime numbers. Move on to next question 3. The possibilities of an experiment are called dash. अगर एक ट्रायल या एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है तो उसमें क्या होगा? पॉसिबिलिटीज होंगे, एंड दोज पॉसिबिलिटीज आर नोन एज आउटकम्स, either possibilities or outcomes. Okay, so the possibilities of an experiment are called outcomes. In the blank you have to write outcomes. Fourth, the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called dash of that experiment. तो वो जो सेट है जिसमें आउटकम्स होते हैं एक एक्सपेरिमेंट में, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? उसको कहा जाता है सैंपल स्पेस. अगर कॉइन टॉस किया तो उसमें सेट ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट जो पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं वो होंगे, तो उसे क्या कहेंगे? सैंपल स्पेस. ओके, सो इन द ब्लैंक यू हैव टू राइट सैंपल स्पेस. नेक्स्ट वन, फिफ्थ, एन एक्सपेरिमेंट इज सेड टू बी अ डैश एक्सपेरिमेंट इफ इट्स आउटकम्स कैन नॉट बी प्रेडिक्टेड विथ सर्टेनिटी. अगर कोई भी एक्सपेरिमेंट और ट्रायल किया है जिसमें हमें कुछ भी प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो उसे क्या कहेंगे? उस एक्सपेरिमेंट को कहेंगे रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, तो उसे क्या कहेंगे? रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो इन द ब्लैंक यू हैव टू राइट रैंडम. ओके, सो दिस कंप्लीट्स क्वेश्चन A. Move on to question B now. Move on to next question, that is question B. Write T for true and F for false. So in this case there are 5 statements given and we have to check whether the statement is true or false. If it is true we have to write T, and if it is false we have to write F. So first statement goes, frequency is the number of times a numerical observation occurs in a data sample. ये true है या false है? Yes, it is true. Frequency is the number of times a numerical observation occurs in a data sample. ये हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है. Next, second है, range is the difference between the first and the last observation in a data sample. True है या false है? ये false है, क्योंकि the difference between the highest and the lowest observation is the range. It is not the first and last observation. It is the difference between highest and the lowest. Okay? So ये जो statement है वो false है. You have to write F. Next, third statement, mode is the middlemost value of a data sample. False. And what is a mode? The value of the observation that occurs most frequently. Mode is the value of the observation that occurs most frequently. Here it is given as middlemost value. That means it is false. So you have to write it as F. Fourth statement. When a coin is tossed, the probability of getting a head is 1. False. The probability of getting a head or a tail, there are two possibilities, isn't it? So this statement is false. You have to write it as F. Fifth one, the number of possibilities for any outcome is always 2. It is false. It depends upon the sample space. Okay? तो कितना बार किया है ट्रायल, कितने बार एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए हैं, उस पर डिपेंड करता है. सो दिस इज फॉल्स और यू हैव टू राइट इट एज एफ. सो इसके साथ ही हमारा क्वेश्चन बी जो है वो कंप्लीट होता है. थैंक यू सो मच.